Madeline.
Hey, Kent, how are you? Are you still doing stand-up?
Nah, I got a new gig now. I'm a magician. Check it out. Ta-da!
Still working on your act?
Yeah.
Do you have a stage name?
I was thinking about maybe Magic Mike. Huh?
I think that might be taken.
For real? I'll never master a magic trick.
I know a magic trick.
You do?
I do. Have you ever heard of butterfly pea flower tea?
No, what is that?
It's a drink that comes from Southeast Asia, and I have some right here. Watch.
Whoa! How'd you do that?
A great magician never reveals her secrets.
Really?
Lime juice.
Ha! Sucker! Disappearo! Disappearo! I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna go.
Bye. Today, I'm going to show you the only magic trick I know. It's really just a fun bit of science, but it's impressive and makes for a great cocktail. Butterfly pea flowers come from Southeast Asia. I first saw them in Cambodia, where they're used to make a refreshing and vibrantly colored tea. To start, you simply make some tea. For every 8 ounces of boiling water, add about a teaspoon of pea flowers and a tablespoon of honey. Give it a good stir, let it steep for about 20 minutes, and then chill it until it's ice cold. Once your tea is chilled, pour 3/4 of a cup in a large glass with some ice, preferably 1 big cube so that it melts slowly and doesn't dilute your drink. Now add 1.5 ounces of vodka or gin. For the fun part, add 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and watch the colors change. Now you're ready to kick back and enjoy your exotic refreshment. Simple, elegant, and no one has to know how easy it was.